Hello guys, just a quick little video here. As you may remember, when Dapple launched the Class 68 last year, the DRS bodies, they messed up the livery on the one side of the body. If I quickly lift this off, I'll show you. This is the new body, so don't use this as a... oh dear, oh I don't like this. There we go. So what happened was the livery was over to one side, on the one side of the body shell only. So the one side of the cab was completely blue when the turquoise streaks are supposed to go over, and then it was too far over on the one side. So obviously Dapple got a lot of complaints about it, as they got a few more about the Class 68. So they are the first manufacturer to actually recall the body shells and offer a free replacement, free of charge. All you had to do was post back the body shell, the faulty one, or go back to Dapple themselves, their factory unit in Wrexham. Well, it's in Chirk actually, not far from Wrexham. And yeah, and then they'd swap it free of charge. Obviously, you'll probably remember the Dapple got a lot of stick as well, because there was so much detail on this model, but a lot of it arrived broken, those things missing. And like on mine, the handrail there, it was missing completely. It wasn't in the box. I don't know where it had gone. A lot of people had a lot worse, so they had a lot of stuff missing, or it was completely loose. They had to glue them on, repair them, send them back and get replacements. So they've it's the exact same body, same livery, but all the detail is properly fitted, so they've obviously upped the quality control and they've reapplied the livery. Another thing as well, if I lift the camera, is the nameplate. They got a few complaints about that. Obviously it was already fitted, it was an etched plastic plate. Now people said it was, if I remember, it was too large, or was it too small? I can't remember. And it didn't look right, it was plastic. I wasn't a fan of it, but it was nice that they put it on. But now what they've done is, like Bachmann and Hornby, too far, they've just printed it on the side of the body. They have included press plates, etched metal plates, which you can glue on, which I will be doing. But yeah, like I said, I just thought I'd give you a quick overview of it. A few people have asked me, and I was going to do a video of it, but it just completely went past me. I went to Chirk in my own car, drove up, literally handed them the old body, and they handed me the new one. And I've fitted it on, and my Class 68's looked a lot better ever since. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick video, so I'll quickly move on and show you me unboxing it. Right, I'll do a quick unboxing of it. Just a plain white box. As you can see, there's nothing on it whatsoever. Just on this end it tells you which model body that it is, and I've obviously got 68002 Intrepid. So if I just open the box, it's literally an ice cube just with a body in. No motor or chassis. Obviously, if I just slide off the outer packaging, there we go. It's just normal packaging. Pop it open, and the body will just lift out like so. Obviously, it's a body, so there's no weight in it. There's not much more to say about it, really. I'll quickly fling this packaging, and I'll show you the body. If I keep the box, we can put it on there. There we go. There's that. If I move the camera, it might. There you go. So it's just the exact same body shell as the old one, as the Mark 1 Class 68, but all they've done is redone the livery on it. So it's a brand new shell, obviously. When you go back, you just hand it in, and then they give you this one, because obviously this side is the same as the other side. So obviously the blue lines match up and they go up to the cab windows. Obviously on the last one it was skew-if and it was over to one side. But another thing they've done is after a fair few complaints, on the old body shell they actually came with plastic etched plates already fitted on, and a lot of people said they weren't the right size, they weren't metal, they didn't look great. A lot of people were giving them a bit of stick for it. So what they've done now, thanks to people moaning, is it's just like any Bachmann or Hornby model, it's just printed on the side. So but it's not the end of the world, because Dapple are actually quite nice to us. They've given us a little goodie bag with 2 etched plates in, and obviously this is Intrepid. Are they metal? Let's have a look. Yeah, they're metal. Yeah, 2 metal nameplates, so all we have to do is glue them on, and obviously that'll look a lot better. The livery will look right on both sides, and we'll have proper etched plates like we deserve. No more to say about the body. Obviously some people had some detailing issues where it was coming off. One of the handrails there by the corner of the cab windscreen, mine was actually missing, but they've got their act together and it's all there now. So on that end, and then obviously all that's left for us to do is find the chassis, which is here. Now I don't normally do this, but for the sake of the video I'll give it a go. I'm going to try and fit the body while the chassis is on the track. So here we go. Can you see it? Yeah. It should just pop on. It doesn't have to. You don't have to screw it or anything. Oh, it's a bit harder than I thought. Ooh. Just give it a bit of a jiggle. There you go. Pop. Yep, like I was saying, it just pops on. Pops on, pops off. There's 4 little clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just pops on like that. So I'll give you a quick shot or 2 of it running around the layout. I know it's like I've said, it's really late, but a few people have asked me about it, so I thought, why not? I'll do a quick video of it. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll leave you with a few running shots. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.